S&P. Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful June 27th. We've been gone for the last 3 weeks at my favorite event of the year, Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Let's take a look what market doing right now, and let's take a look what market had done when we were in a bootcamp. This is oil. Exact same levels remain intact. As I warned you before we left for bootcamp, this is institutional Fibonacci resistance present in front of you for the last 2 years. Longs for day trader never an option near this level. This is institutional support. As a day trader, you adore these levels. This is what gold done in our absence. Gold this morning at crucial Fibonacci support. Gold had been at this Fibonacci support for the last 2 weeks. And remember what I've been warning you about gold? Reversal zone is present. Good idea to respect this word. It means price will reverse 85% of the time. This is a chart that's been present in front of you for years. This is where last time buyers stepped in from on gold at the end of 2016. And this is where bullish rally had ended. No surprise. This is your channel on gold right now. This is your support and this is your resistance. Ouch. Not a pretty dance. Let's take a look what Apple had done in my absence. This is a chart been present in front of you for years. Apple reminded you in 2015, do not buy when price at reversal zone. Apple had stunning earnings in 2015, but collapsed completely, as expected, until the end of the minor trend, which is exact same level we're dealing on S&P this morning, which we will review next, as this trade is struggling. Key resistance to the upside. We've been monitoring for a very long time. This is where buyers stepped in from on Apple despite worst earnings in 13 years. Look what Apple is doing right now. My goodness, are you surprised? Should not be. It's a reversal zone, not the place to buy Apple. Knowledgeable trader knows this is holding the key on Apple. Crucial Fibonacci support. Knowing the rules, knowing where to enter, knowing where to exit the trade is the key. Knowledgeable trader did not lose $12 on his trade. Knowledgeable trader also know extremely well that this morning our bias on S&P is bullish. Look at that. Exact same end of minor trend as you saw on Apple, as you saw on gold in a play. Bias this morning is bullish. This is Fibonacci resistance to the upside. S&P is rallying. Finally, getting us out of our misery. Buyers picking up this steam. We are once again on the right side of the market. We knew extremely well that 24.3375 will be a brick wall, as expected. Very important area on S&P. As a Fibonacci warrior, you're not wasting your time. As a Fibonacci warrior, you never short into hot pink line. That's why I made it so hot pink, so annoying. Last time I liked this color when I was 5 years old. I made it very hot pink because I know psychology is everything. No trader will ever ignore hot pink support. Price gave us this level days in advance. We've been watching this Fibonacci support in bootcamp since a week ago. Look at that. That was the end of the minor trend to the upside. And look where price reversed from, as we witnessed to the tick as expected, as this is the morning that S&P will skyrocket again. As we know extremely well, institutional bias firmly bullish. Institutions continue buying every single pullback. Are you surprised? Should not be. Decision point 2 is very important level. Knowledgeable trader who learns this level in the course knows extremely well. It's a key target. Right now price can collapse all the way back down. You cannot ignore this as your target. It's exact same level that S&P respected to the tick on monthly. Remember that? No surprise. This is the chart that been present in the trading room for the last 6 years. This is where buyers stepped in from. The only difference is it's long-term chart and this is day trading chart. Different strategies. Exact same Fibonacci levels. This is a dance that market does each and every day. And this is what Einstein spoke in his theory of relativity, when he also said, everything around us is perfect. And that's what I show you each and every day. I live and breathe Fibonacci, and I can prove on any instrument, any time frame, any day, that using anything else is afterthought. I can also tell you that psychology is everything, as this morning knowledgeable trader passed the test of instant gratification. Shorts were not an option. Boom. What you trade, absolutely up to you. Tomorrow morning oil news will be extremely interesting. Oil news is always extremely exciting event, as instantly during news you will witness the accuracy of the method. That's the reason I love oil. What you trade, absolutely up to you. Knowledgeable trader understands how crucial this area is. Decision point 2, holding the key. So what a spectacular reminder! Know your target. Every single tick in day trading matters. Never ever ignore decision point 2. That's a basic strategy rule. When price reaches this, absolutely essential to take the profits off the table and to move the stop out of break even. I warned you, cannot ignore that level. Price is that clear. Right now price can collapse all the way back down to decision point 1. Knowledgeable trader knows that. Knowledgeable trader on constant defense. Knowledgeable trader applies psychology of gem hunter. None of us know how long price will dance at this level, but disobeying, disrespecting decision point 2, profits not possible. In the course you learn this is key target. Shock or not, this was key target on gold. Remember this? Oh my goodness! When gold reached this level, it collapsed until the end of the minor trend. Look at that! This is exact same area on gold. Doesn't have to be S&P. Little chart. Price the same everywhere. Decision point 2. Never ever to be ignored. And that's exact same place where oil is now. This is oil daily, exact same decision point too. Clear? Identical. Identical level. And that's where bullish oil rally on oil had ended last time around. No surprise. Price action remains the same everywhere. How you use and what you trade on, absolutely up to you. Never ever ignore that. Ever. Class just started, traders. Sooner you sign up, quicker you get rid of your bad habits. I promise you that. Each and every day Fibonacci keeps you out of trouble. Each and every day you learn that using anything else is afterthought. We are in long-term Fibonacci class on Friday at 11. Trading room is always closed. We are meeting with students pre-market Monday through Thursday, 9:15 EST. Students hearing entirely different discussions during trading room hours with guided live trading, as well as we meeting with students after trading room close for trade recaps. Basic strategy classes on Monday because of the holiday next week. Next class will resume on Wednesday. Classes are ongoing. Every day you learn something. To the tick, stop respected. No surprise. Knowing where to place your stop, knowing where to place your target in day trading is everything. If you ever disrespect decision point 2 as your target, success is not possible. Knowledgeable trader knows that. Every single tick in day trading matters. Never forget. We always go with market volatility. We only use market volatility. Most of the time, trading room close around 12 EST because volatility dies out completely. No need to babysit the charts. Knowledgeable trader never does that. Knowledgeable trader spends maximum 2 hours per day in front of the screen. Knowledgeable trader never pulls the trades out of the market. Knowledgeable trader never speculates, never places market orders, ever. Every single tick matters, as you're witnessing in front of you now. No surprise. My goodness, to the tick price respected the stop and second time around reaching decision point 2. Will price finally succeed and skyrocket? Absolutely. Next will be quite a pause at reversal zone. That's how Fibonacci gives you an edge. That's how you never ever speculate or place random trades. I've been doing this long enough. I know. Fibonacci and price action, all that matters. You master that, you can trade anything. You don't come to the markets with sweaty palms. You don't speculate. You know exactly what you're doing. You understand that each and every day is psychological test. This morning our bias was firmly bullish. We stay out from junk, we stayed out from fluff. No surprise. This is a level we've been obeying for the last week. Boom. You don't need to wait for weeks. You don't need to wait for months or years to see it. I prove to you each and every day. Price and Fibonacci, all that matters. Bullish rally in a progress. Stop was placed in perfect place. Second time around, decision point 2 is broken. That's what price does each and every time. Look at that reversal zone. Are you surprised? That's exactly the reason I named reversal zone. Yesterday S&P had done this on hourly. Identified days in advance. This was in front of you for more than 30 minutes. In a play right now, as I warned you, when price will come to reversal zone, price will reverse. Exact same thing as gold is doing on weekly. My goodness, price action the same everywhere. Entering into reversal zone never an option. Exact same thing as Apple doing on weekly. My goodness! You don't have to wait weeks to know that. You see it instantly in front of you. That's what price does every time. You master price, you master Fibonacci, you can trade anything. That's applicable to your risk management and to your psychology. Buying into reversal zone, never ever an option. Shorting into Fibonacci support will never work. And that's what price does every time. And that's where S&P is many points later. Identical dance on oil, gold, S&P, Apple. Risk management makes a world of difference. What you trade, absolutely up to you.